And then the final exercise, I call it shaking the ground, is basically now you have this energy as you're bringing it up on your toes, and then you are literally dropping like this, okay? And what I like to do is slam my heels, boom, and try to shake the earth. You literally try to imagine that you are shaking the earth, okay? So you're coming up like this, and then you rise up on your toes, and then just bang. And you do that 7 times. All the movements, oddly enough, there's 8 movements. The last one is done 7 times. So we're coming up like this. We're rising up. Energy drops down into the earth. Rising up, drops down into the earth. Okay, 7 times. And that would complete all the movements. Those are the 8 movements of Baduanjin, or the 8 pieces of brocade. And that's very basic level. So keep watching for other basic level videos on this stuff and try to follow along. But I wanted you to cover the basics. Okay, so let me just review it one last time. Okay, so form number 1, we're basically going to be bringing in the energy and holding up the heavens. Okay, we're doing that 8 times, holding up the heavens 8 times. Okay, and the next thing we're going to be going into the bow, drawing the bow, remember? And we're going to do that 8 times, drawing the bow 8 times, right? Then we're going to separate heaven and earth like this. 1, 2, slowly, so with breathing. I'm just showing you quickly, separating heaven and earth, okay? Then we're going to be looking backwards, up on our toes, looking backwards, okay? Then we're going to be coming down here. We're going to be shaking the tail, right? Remember? Okay. Next movement. Do you remember the next movement? We're basically going to be coming down here, massaging the kidneys, down here and up. It's the next movement, right? And then after that, what's next? That's right, we're going to come down here. We're going to be angrily punching, like this, 8 punches. And then finally, we're going to be shaking the earth. Bang, boom, okay? And that is the very, very basics of the Baduanjin, or the 8 pieces of brocade. So follow along. I have other videos. I'm going to be teaching more advanced methods of this, but I had a couple of friends asking me to go over the basics just so you know what the heck a Baduanjin means, or 8 pieces of brocade means, and that's what it means. 8 pieces of brocade. Awesome Qigong exercise.